Hello everyone. Welcome to the comforting zone. Today I will show you some cool gadgets you can buy online. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's jump into the video. Introducing RydeSafe bike spoke reflectors, enhancing safety on two wheels. When it comes to cycling, safety should always be a top priority. Whether you're an avid cyclist or a casual rider, being visible on the road is essential to avoid accidents, especially during low light conditions. That's where RydeSafe bike spoke reflectors come into play. Innovative accessories designed to significantly enhance your visibility while riding your bicycle. These small, yet powerful reflectors are designed to be attached to the spokes of your bike wheels, creating a stunning and eye-catching display of light that cannot be missed. Available in a wide range of colors and designs, you can choose the reflectors that best match your style and preferences. Installing these reflectors is a breeze. The simple clip-on design allows for quick and easy attachment to the spokes without any special tools required. This increased visibility greatly reduces the risk of accidents, making your bike ride safer and more enjoyable. When it comes to riding your motorcycle or bike, having your phone securely mounted and easily accessible is a must. That's where this sturdy and safe phone holder comes into play. With its special shape and design, this phone holder provides a reliable grip on each corner of your phone, ensuring its safety even on the bumpiest roads. It accommodates phones ranging from 4.7 to 6.8 inches in size, with a thickness of up to 15 millimeters. From iPhone 14 series to iPhone 13, and various other brands like Samsung, LG, and more, our holder provides a perfect fit for your device. With adjustable features, you can easily switch your phone between horizontal and vertical positions. This allows for convenient access to answer calls, play music, or use GPS while riding. Stay connected and in control without compromising safety. When it comes to protecting your bicycle from theft, you need a bike lock that combines security, convenience, and durability. Look no further than our top-rated lightweight compact bike lock, the best folding bike lock on the market. Designed to keep your bicycle safe and secure at all times. With its solid key system, there's no need to remember complex codes or worry about electronic malfunctions. This lock is built to withstand the toughest challenges, including bolt cutters, drills, and saws. Say goodbye to thieves. The lock is equipped with anti-tamper rivets, making it virtually impossible to dismantle. No more annoying rattling noises while you ride. This heavy-duty bike lock mounting bracket accessory ensures a quiet and comfortable ride. It securely attaches the lock to your bike frame, keeping it in place without any distractions. Introducing the Smart Brake Sensing Bike Taillight, a powerful and versatile accessory that prioritizes your safety while cycling. With its smart features and easy installation, this taillight is a must-have for every rider. The taillight automatically switches to high light mode when you apply the brakes, providing an ultra-bright warning to the riders behind you. You can mount it under the saddle using the metal mounting bracket or attach it to the seat post with the adjustable silicone strap. With 4 light modes to choose from, you have the flexibility to select the one that suits your needs. Whether you prefer a normal flash, breathing flash, fast flash, or steady on mode, this taillight has you covered. Features a motion sensor and light sensor, ensuring efficient battery usage. When no motion is detected for 30 seconds, the taillight automatically turns off to save power. It will turn on again once it detects movement or if you touch it. Experience the ultimate convenience and power with our X8 pocket-sized inflator. This compact and lightweight device is designed to make your inflation tasks easier than ever before. Weighing in at just 1.2 pounds, the X8 is incredibly lightweight and can be held comfortably in one hand during use. The X8 features 4 types of preset inflation modes, clearly displayed on the large LED screen. Choose the mode that suits your inflation requirements with ease. Additionally, the manual mode allows you to set the desired pressure value, and the inflator will automatically stop when the target pressure is reached. Enjoy hassle-free and intuitive operation. Experience a new level of safety and convenience with the Garmin Bicycle Radar. This innovative device not only alerts you to vehicles approaching from behind but also features a built-in camera that captures and saves footage automatically in the event of an incident. The integrated camera allows you to record your rides in stunning detail. With the option to record in 1080p at 30 frames per second, you can be sure to capture sharp, clear video. The radar can detect vehicles up to 153 yards away, providing an extra layer of awareness and protection. Easily manage your footage and control the camera settings through the Varia mobile app. The app provides a user-friendly interface, allowing you to view and download your recorded videos with ease. Stay connected and stay in control of your ride. Enhance your cycling experience with the Garmin Edge Bike Computer. With its simplified yet rugged design and crisp 1.8-inch display, this device is built to withstand any cycling adventure while providing you with essential training and navigation features. Take your fitness to the next level with dynamic performance insights. Pair your Edge with a compatible heart rate monitor to track metrics such as VO2 max and heart rate, gaining valuable insights into your training and recovery. Never lose your way with turn prompts and a breadcrumb map that displays your route. Know your current location, where you've been, and how to get back to the starting point. The Garmin Edge provides clear and concise navigation guidance, allowing you to focus on enjoying your ride. Keep track of your cycling achievements with accurate data from GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo satellites, ensuring precise measurement of your distance, speed, elevation, and more. The Garmin Edge Bike Computer is your ultimate companion for training, navigation, and performance tracking. Inwa portable Bluetooth speaker is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. This mini speaker is designed to withstand shocks and is IP65 waterproof, making it ideal for activities like riding, camping, and even showering. With its compact size, you can take it anywhere and enjoy your favorite music on the go. The built-in microphone allows for hands-free phone calls, freeing up your hands to focus on other tasks. Whether you're cycling or busy with outdoor activities, you can stay connected without any hassle. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful and clear sound that will keep you energized and entertained. Stay informed with the small screen display on the speaker. It shows you the remaining battery power, time, or even your speed. Boasts a high-capacity battery that provides 8 to 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. With this speaker, you can enjoy uninterrupted music during your outdoor sports activities and keep the energy flowing. Illuminate your path with the powerful and versatile bike lights. Experience the ultimate brightness with our Real 2600 lumens bike lights. These super bright bicycle headlights feature 5 LED lights and 4 different modes to suit your lighting needs. With a large capacity of 8,000 mAh, these lights can run for 2 to 8 hours, providing ample lighting for your long rides. Installing and removing the bike lights is a breeze, requiring no tools. Compatible with handlebar diameters ranging from 15 mm to 33 mm. They also serve as a powerful 8,000 mAh power bank. With the USB-C charging function, you can charge your mobile phone on the go, ensuring you stay connected even during your outdoor adventures. Find the perfect fit for your cycling adventures with this VG110 model bike helmet. Designed for adult men and women, this helmet comes in 3 sizes. With an adjustable size range, you can easily customize the fit to your comfort. Built with 21 breathable vents strategically placed to allow airflow and keep your head cool and dry. The lightweight design, weighing only 310 grams, ensures a comfortable and enjoyable ride without adding unnecessary burden. The durable hard shell and soft pad absorb pressure from external impacts, providing optimal protection for road cycling or mountain biking. Comes with a convenient and innovative feature, a magnetic visor and goggles. Perfect for mountain biking and road cycling, the visor and goggles provide protection from sunlight, as well as from sand and wind. Equipped with a bright rear light that offers 3 flashing modes: steady, slow flashing, and fast flashing. Essential for night cycling, the tail light ensures that riders behind you can clearly recognize your direction and serves as a warning to cars, enhancing your visibility on the road. Secure, clear sound, and safety in one, UPPEL bike phone mount. Its patented clamping mechanism ensures your mobile phone stays firmly in place, even during intense cycling. Enjoy exceptional music clarity on the go with the UPPEL bike sound system. Equipped with a 5 watts Bluetooth speaker and a soft diaphragm, it delivers high-quality sound for an immersive music experience. Features a built-in 5,000 mAh battery. Keep your phone charged on the go by connecting the charging cable to the speaker while it's powered on. The USB port allows for convenient phone charging while enjoying all the system's functions. The battery provides 6 to 7 hours of continuous light or 12 to 15 hours of uninterrupted music. When using both lights and music, expect 4 to 5 hours of continuous use. Comes with an LED light and flashlight function to enhance visibility and safety. The LED light illuminates up to 50 meters ahead, effectively signaling your presence. This phone holder can be connected to an external bicycle horn cable, enabling the ring bell function. Emit powerful horn sounds to alert others on the road, potentially saving lives. Upgrade your cycling gear with the special shape saddle bag. Its unique 3D shell design and wave cushion provide exceptional shock resistance, ensuring your belongings stay safe even if the bag falls out. Plus, the upgraded straps offer improved support and come with a lifetime warranty. Ride rainproof with confidence. The saddlebag is made from waterproof fabric and features a taped zipper to keep your items dried during rainy rides. The bag comes with 2 stick-up straps and a rubber buckle, making it incredibly easy to mount onto your seat post. The reflective strap around the seat bag increases your visibility when cycling at night, ensuring others can see you. Additionally, the bag includes a tail light hook to conveniently attach your tail light for added safety. Its special features, rainproof design, easy installation, and night visibility enhancements make it a must-have accessory for any cyclist. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.